Get on with it, mine and yours.
Yeah, guys, I'm at the carnival. Lions Club Carnival, getting ready for the 4th of July fireworks. You at the food court eating, because carnival food hits different, man, I'm telling you. I got my pulled nacho curry fries, got my fried Oreos, got me a steakum sandwich. It's good.
Chuck, you're in a glare on that side.
And then I got me a burger, which I forgot to record, that I was hungry. But it's halfway gone, but Mom's isn't. She eats like a little rodent.
I do not eat like a little rodent.
She's eating a double cheeseburger, and she's got the same
cheeseburger.
Thing. Oh, you didn't get a double one?
No.
Did he get a double?
Yeah, he got a double.
You got the same thing we got? Yeah, pretty good. I got my 2 Pepsis. She got a water because she's smarter.
I want to say she's smart.
And I got food all in my beard. Peace out. Love y'all. Some of them go really high and it's fun. Someone donated.
Really cool.
Thank you, I appreciate it. That's channel alive.
Oh.
No. Did. Make sure it's like it's on my channel. Wow. Rolla Lions from Paul.
Oh, that was loud.
That's one of the ones way up there. Just that.
Wish they'd do another one of those red ones with clouds.
I know, right? What did you get me? I and they were out. They were I did get my fried Oreos. And boy, were they good. And I got like some curly fries and cheese and I don't know what the white sauce was, but it was pretty good.
Just the white cheddar.
Oh, white cheddar cheese. It was really good.
that was kind of cool.